Welcome to the tutorial on SSCR Error Code 51. The purpose of this tutorial is to explain what SSCR Error Code 51 is, what causes it, and how to resolve the error. Per the NSLDS, SSCR Error Code 51 is caused by an invalid move to location. This error occurs due to a move to field that was populated with an invalid OPE ID. SSCR Error Code 51 occurs when an invalid OPE ID is included in the Move To field on a student record. These errors are often seen in conjunction with Error 52 and typically occur for students reported under a dummy branch, such as 80 or 81, due to the locations not being recognized by NSLDS. To resolve SSCR Error Code 51, update the Move To field to remove the OPE ID or update the OPE ID to the 00 branch. Now we'll go over how to view and correct a student's record. Under the NSLDS Reporting tab, the most recent reports at the top of the list. Click on the hyperlinked number under the Number of Students with Errors column to access the list of students with errors. This will bring you to the list of students with errors. Click on the hyperlinked SSN for the student with error code 51 that needs to be corrected. The next page will show the student's editable record. Update the Move To field to remove the OPE ID or update it to the 00 branch. After updating the student record as needed, click the green Submit button to send the record to the Clearinghouse for processing. For additional assistance correcting SSCR Error Code 51, please reach out to us at sscrerrors@studentclearinghouse.org.